Good morning, students. Before your half-yearly examination, we had discussed chapter 17, E-commerce security system. According to the new and updated syllabus, you have only two topics from chapter 17. We have already discussed the different dimensions in e-commerce security. In today's class, we are going to see the second topic, that is security technologies in e-commerce transaction. Security technologies in electronic commerce are roughly classified into three types. First one is encryption technology, second one is authentication technology, and third one is authentication protocol. It is very important to implement various security technologies in each and every e-commerce transaction because many important information about the customer and the company are transferring over internet, and e-commerce should ensure all the information would be transferred only in secured methodology. In today's class, we are going to discuss the first security technology in e-commerce transaction, that is encryption technology. Encryption technology is an effective information security protection. It is defined as converting a plain text into meaningless ciphertext using an algorithm, that is encryption algorithm. So in encryption technology, two texts are available. One is plain text, which is easily readable and meaningful, and the second one is ciphertext. It is meaningless and in unreadable form. E-commerce security ensures the confidentiality of data by using this encryption technology. For encrypting and decrypting data, the encryption and decryption process uses a key. See this picture. It explains the sample encryption and decryption process. First, we will move on to encryption. Encryption is a process of converting a plain text into ciphertext by using algorithm. For encryption, we will use one key to encrypt the data. So encryption will be done only when the text is sent from one computer to another computer. The plain text is stored in the sender machine, that is sender computer. Some mathematical calculations are applied to the plain text to convert the plain text into ciphertext. Now the readable format of text will be converted into unreadable format. This is called encryption process. Now the ciphertext will be transferred over internet to the receiving system. So no one will see the text because it is in unreadable form, and the data will be transferred in a secured way. In the receiving end, decryption process will take place. Decryption is the process of converting the ciphertext into plain text. By using the same key or different key, and by using the same algorithm, once again the ciphertext is converted into readable forms. Now the reader can read the text. So there are two processes. One is encryption, another one is decryption. Encryption will convert the plain text into ciphertext, and the receiving end, the ciphertext is converted into plain text, that is called decryption. At present, there are two encryption technologies are widely used to transfer the data in a secured format. One is symmetric key encryption system. Another one is asymmetric key encryption system. Let us see these two technologies in brief. Symmetric key encryption. Symmetric is nothing but same. In symmetric key encryption is also called data encryption standard, DES. DES is a symmetric key encryption method. DES was introduced in the year 1976 by Phipps Federal Information Processing Standard of America. DES algorithm takes a string of bits of plain text with a fixed length, and after applying some complicated operation, the plain text will be converted into ciphertext, that is an encrypted text with the same length. Now the same length of encrypted text will be transferred over internet. At the receiving end, once again the complicated operation are applied in the reverse to read the plain text. Different types of keys can be used in DES based on the sender and receiver. So algorithm can only be deciphered by the people who know the exact key that has been used for encryption. So sender and receiver should agree with the key exchange for encrypting and decrypting. DES key uses a fixed string of bits, that is 64 bits, but actually this algorithm uses only 56 bits of data. The remaining 8 bits are used to verify the bits whether they are transferred in the same length. So the remaining 8 bits are used for error checking, and at the receiving end these 8 bits, they are also called parity bits, these parity bits are discarded. Then only the remaining 56 bits of data will be read by the receiver. Nowadays DES is considered as not safe methodology of encryption because it uses only a smaller key size, that is only 56 bit of string is used in DES. To avoid that, key length can be easily increased by multiple use of DES. So a same complicated algorithm can be repeatedly increases, and that DES is also called as triple DES, TDES, 3DS or DESEDE. We discussed DES is an symmetric encryption in previous slide. Now we are going to see asymmetric key encryption. Asymmetric key encryption is also called as RSA algorithm because it was developed by three persons, Rivers-Shamir and Edelman. So asymmetric encryption is called as RSA algorithm. Asymmetric key encryption uses public key authentication and digital signature. Till 1970, symmetric crypto system were only available, in which transmitter and receiver uses same key. Same key can be used for both encryption and decryption. But in RSA, it uses a pair of key. So two keys are used in this encryption. One is private key, another one is public key. A public key encryption method is a method of converting a plain text into ciphertext. For encryption, a public key will be used. And in the receiving end, from ciphertext, the plain text can be retrieved by using a private key. So in RSA algorithm, the user who wants to send a message will encrypt the data by using the public key. But only the receiver knows the private key to decrypt the data. Okay students, in this class we have started the second topic of 17th chapter, that is security technologies. There are three security technologies are available. Among three, in this class we have discussed the first one, encryption technology. Two types of encryption technology are available. One is symmetric key encryption technology, another one is asymmetric key encryption technology. DES algorithm is called as symmetric key encryption technology because it uses the same key for both encryption and decryption. RSA algorithm is called as asymmetric encryption technology because it uses two keys. One is for encryption, that is public key is used for encryption, and Private key is used for decryption. Okay, students, that's all about this class. We will see the remaining technologies in next class. Until take care. God bless you.